Every cell in your body carries a quiet story. It works day and night, constantly repairing, rebuilding and reshaping itself without you ever noticing. What's even more fascinating is this: the quality of your diet determines how effectively these cells regenerate. Today, we're diving into the science behind how a whole food, plant-based diet influences cellular repair, energy production, inflammation, and even your biological aging process. This isn't guesswork. This is evidence-based nutrition backed by research from leading scientists and medical institutions. Your body is in a continuous state of renewal. Your skin renews every 28 to 40 days. The lining of your gut regenerates every 2 to 5 days. Your liver can rebuild itself almost completely in a matter of months. Each time your body replaces cells, it needs building materials. If those materials come from processed foods, saturated fats, or excessive animal products, your new cells are built with low-grade components. But when you fuel your body with plants, rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, polyphenols, enzymes, and fiber, you're providing premium quality materials that support healthy, resilient cellular structures. This difference shows up in your cell membranes, your DNA repair, and the energy capacity inside each cell. Chronic inflammation is, one of the root causes of accelerated aging and disease. Animal-based foods often increase inflammation because they contain things like arachidonic acid, TMAO, which stands for trimethylamine N-oxide, and AGEs, or advanced glycation end products. Plant foods, on the other hand, actually help to neutralize inflammation. For example, leafy greens have chlorophyll, which reduces oxidative stress. And berries, they're loaded with anthocyanins, which are these powerful natural anti-inflammatories. Turmeric, ginger, and garlic also have effects that are, honestly, comparable to mild anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the side effects. When inflammation declines, the new cells your body produces become stronger, cleaner, and less damaged. Mitochondria are, the little engines inside your cells that generate ATP, which is your energy currency. Plant-based diets enhance mitochondrial performance by reducing oxidative damage, improving the efficiency of ATP production, and supporting metabolic balance. Some of the best foods for mitochondrial health include spinach, walnuts, quinoa, blueberries, and lentils and beans that are rich in folate, iron, and antioxidants. When your mitochondria are strong, you feel more energetic, mentally clear, and physically resilient. One of the most groundbreaking discoveries in nutrition is that plant-based diets can influence gene expression. Research by Dr. Dean Ornish and other scientists shows that whole food, plant-based nutrition can activate genes responsible for cellular repair, suppress genes linked to inflammation and disease, enhance enzymes that fight cancer, and increase protective mechanisms for DNA. This means your genetics are not fixed. You can literally reshape your cellular destiny through the food you choose daily. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of your chromosomes. Each time your cells divide, telomeres shorten, and shorter telomeres mean faster aging. Studies on plant-based diet participants showed something remarkable. Their telomeres actually lengthened over time. This is extremely rare in other dietary patterns. Why? Because plant foods are, incredibly rich in antioxidants that shield DNA from damage. One of the most immediate cellular benefits of a plant-based diet is gut repair. Fiber, especially soluble fiber, feeds beneficial bacteria in the colon. These bacteria produce butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that heals the gut lining, lowers inflammation, and supports immune balance. Your liver also benefits because plant foods reduce fat accumulation and lower the toxic load coming from animal products. A healthier gut and liver means stronger immunity, better nutrient absorption, and cleaner cellular regeneration overall. Autophagy is the process where your cells clean out damaged parts, recycle them, and rebuild stronger structures. Many plant foods naturally activate autophagy, including green tea, turmeric, garlic, mushrooms, leafy greens, chia, and flax seeds. This is real detox, not a trend. It happens deep inside your cells, improving their longevity and efficiency. After 30 days, you'll notice that inflammation declines, your skin becomes clearer, and both your sleep and mood start to improve. After 60 days, your mitochondria actually strengthen, your energy becomes more stable, and your immunity really improves. After 90 days, telomere stability increases, DNA damage decreases, and cellular aging slows dramatically. Every meal, honestly, becomes a microscopic investment in your body's future. If you want more science-based insights into plant nutrition, go ahead and subscribe to Plant Nutrition Science. This channel is dedicated to helping you build a stronger body, a brighter mind, and a more peaceful life through evidence-based nutrition. So, hit subscribe, so you don't miss the next